Welcome to Twinkl Kids TV. Today we're going to learn how to draw a face. Are you ready to get creative? Ready, set, sketch! Grab your paper and something to draw with a crayon, a pencil, or even a marker will do. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First, let's start with the shape of the face. You can make it a circle, an oval, or even a potato shape. It doesn't have to be perfect, just like us. Every face is unique. Now let's add some guidelines to help us figure out where the eyes, nose and mouth will go. Draw a vertical line down the middle and a horizontal line across the middle. Next up, the eyes. Draw two big circles on the horizontal line, one on each side of the vertical line. Think of them as two yummy cookies. Now let's draw the nose. A simple way is to make a small curved line right in the middle of the face, like a tiny smile for your nose. Looking good! Now, time for the ears. Let's draw two little C shapes on the sides of the head. And here comes the mouth. Below the nose, draw a big, happy smile. You can even add teeth or make it a goofy grin. Finally, we'll add some hair. Is it short, long, curly or spiky? It's up to you. Don't forget the eyebrows. Eyebrows are like hats for your eyes. And there you have it. Your very own face drawing. Remember, every drawing is special because you made it. If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.